Good morning, class 9th. In last lecture we have discussed the symbol of the atoms of the different elements. And student, we have discussed the symbol of the elements are represented by letters. And the symbol of the some elements are represented by one letter, and the symbol of the some elements are represented by two letters. If the symbol has only one letter, so student, it should be written in a capital letter. For example, you can take example of the nitrogen. You can take this. So, if the symbol has only one letter, it should be written as a capital letter. You can take another example. You can take example of the oxygen. So, it should be written in a capital letter. If the symbol has two letters, for example, aluminium, you can say this. So, if the symbol has two letters, then the first letter should be capital letter and the second letter should be the small letter. You can see here the A capital and the second letter is a small letter. You can take an example, another example. You can see argon, A capital and R small, barium also B and small a. So in this video, student, we will discuss the molecules. What is a molecule? So student, a molecule is the smallest particle of the an element or a compound which exists independently and shows all the properties of that compound. In other words, you can explain that the smallest particle of matter, whether it is element or compound which exists in a free state, is called a molecule. You can underline this. So, what are the properties of the molecules? So, student, listen carefully. The molecules of any given substance are all similar. Understand what I am saying? And the molecules of the different substance are different. So, the property of the substance are property of its molecules. So, you can take example of the water molecules, and so the water are the properties of hydrogen and oxygen. So there are the different types of the elements. So a molecule is a group of two or more elements that are held together by attractive force. And atoms of the same element or different elements can join together to form molecule. So you can take example of the nitrogen. You can take example of the nitrogen and same, and they form the nitrogen N2. You can take example of the water also. So the property associated with water are the properties of water molecules. So now we will discuss the molecules of elements. So student, there are the we can say that the elementary molecules are there, compound molecules are there. There are the two types, you can say that. So if we talk about the elementary molecules, so all the molecules of an element are made up of identical atom. For example, you can take example of the chlorine. Understand? I am taking the example of the chlorine. So student, a molecule of the chlorine, you can see this now. This is the Cl2. Now listen carefully, and it is denoted by the Cl2. It is denoted by the Cl2, and several other elements are found in a molecular form. Understand? So all the molecules of an element are made up of an identical atom. A molecule of the chlorine is made up of the two atoms. You can see the chlorine. So this chlorine molecule is made up of the two atoms. For example, Cl2 is made up of the two chlorine atom. You can see. You can take another example. You can take example of the oxygen. You can take example of the nitrogen. This nitrogen is made up of the two atoms of the nitrogen. So this is the elementary molecules. And you can take another example of the, so some other elements are found in a molecular form, ठीक है, but there are the some element which exist as a free atom. Understand what I am saying? So there are the some element which exist as a free atom, not as a molecules. They are found in a free state. You can take example of the noble gas. You can take example of this argon also, neon also, helium also, and krypton also, xenon also, and radon also. They exist as a free atom, not a molecule, because the outer shell of these atoms are complete. So that's why they are exist as a atom in a free state, so not as a molecules. So you can take example of the helium, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, and radon. And some elements, if you talk about the some other elements which do not have a simple molecular structure. For example, you can take example of the diamond and graphite are made up of the very large and indefinite number of the atom joined together. So these elements cannot be represented by a molecular formula, and they are represented simply by their atomic symbol. Understand? So they are found not a, you can take in simple, do not have a simple molecular formula, only just diamond and graphite. And if we talk about the compound molecules, compound means when two or more elements combine together, they form compound. So student, the molecules of a compound contain two or more atoms of the different element. You can take example of the water. You can take, this is the molecules of the compound. So molecule of a compound contain atom of two or more different type of elements. So you can take this example of the water. Can see this. So a molecule of water consists of the two atom of this H2O. It consists of the two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So it is represented by the H2O. And you can take another example of the, you can take example of this ammonia also. It contains a one atom of the hydrogen and three atom of the hydrogen. And you can take another example, you can take example of the carbon dioxide, HCl. And you know na, the property of the compound is different from the their elements. So you can see, so molecule of a compound contains atom of two or more different types of elements, and atoms, molecule of an element contain atom of the same element. जो molecules होगा ना, an element contain atom of the same element. Some element, molecules of same element, some element contain only one atom, or molecule of some element contain two or more atom. So you can see argon only one, they are the noble gases. If you take example of the element chlorine, so they have the two atom of the chlorine. Phosphorus, you can see P4, sulfur, acid, polyatomic, we will discuss later. So first of all, you read this molecule of an elements and the molecules of compounds. If you have any problem, then you can ask me and you can send me message. Okay, so I think you have understand, student. Now we will discuss the ions. So student, ions, if we talk about the ions, the compound containing metal and non-metal elements contain charge called ions. Compounds containing metal and non-metal. When metal react with non-metal, they form compounds and they have the ions. So what do you mean by the ions? An ions is a charged particles having positive or negative. क्या है ions? It is a charged particle. What do you mean by the ions? Ions is a charged particles having positive or negative charge. And a positively charged ion is called cation, and negatively charged ion is called anion. Positively cation and negatively you can see the anion. So you can take example, if we talk about the metals, all metals have the positive ions. Understand what I am saying? All metals are the positive ions, have the positive ions, cation, and the non-metals have the negatively negative ions, and they are called the anions. So you can take, there are the some common ions also and their valency also, and we will discuss in next lecture again this ions. What do you mean by the ions? And we have discussed the types of the molecules also, and how can you write the molecules. Okay, so I hope you understand, student. Okay, now student, today we have discussed the ions also, molecules of compound, molecules of elements. So students, take care. Bye.